I'm scared of this one.
You're scared?
Yeah. This one's sitting for what?
It's only been there for a week. You keep asking me, when you going to open your box?
I thought that's for you, not for me. I didn't know that this is for me.
It's a Valentine's Day present.
Oh, gee. I don't need Valentine's present, honey. I don't buy anything for you.
Of course.
Hey, that's not nice. I always cook for you.
You did cook. That's a nice Valentine's Day present.
What is... Oh, maybe this is Starbucks mugs?
I don't know.
Probably it's fragile. Oh, wait. I'm gonna close this one. I know you're very specific thing.
Yeah. What's
What
in,
is this?
what's in the paper? More paper. More paper.
I told you Starbucks. It's like a mug. Starbucks mug. Oh, what is this? Come on. It's like a mug, but wait.
It's like a mug. Let's see if it actually is a mug.
It is. Just like, did you see? It's a handle.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's like a Starbucks.
It's odd how they wrapped it like that. Maybe it's not a mug.
It was.
It just looks like a mug.
It's like a mug. You got handle, see? What do you mean?
Nice some bubble wrap. That's good.
Oh my God. It's a mug, honey. What do you expect?
I guess I wasn't expecting it to
This
be.
is Starbucks. Oh, Barcelona. How did you get this one? How did you get this one?
It's the magic of eBay, honey.
I see, Sally. Oh, but this is different. We didn't have the one that we bought. We didn't have the red one like this.
Yeah, it did. It was
No, it's just only the plain one in like this. They don't have the red one like the. Thank you. How did you? How much did you pay for this?
way too much. But it was cheaper than going back to Barcelona to get another one.
Barcelona. Oh my God. Yeah, it's your fault. That's why I break my.
Wasn't my fault. You know?
Yeah, because you. Where's your passport? Where's your passport? We need to delete it. Right? Am I right?
No.
Yes.
I'm not the one.
Because of you.
I didn't even touch it.
No, but that one is in my backpack. But because where's your parcel? We need to check it out. We need to check it. You keep pushing me all the time. Thank you, honey.
You like it?
For sure, I love it. So Sally, don't buy me this one anymore. I got one. Thank you.
Let's get a close-up look at that.
I got that Barcelona thing.
So it's Barcelona on the inside. Has
Yeah.
the
Look at this.
bas relief of Barcelona on the surface
Sagrada
of it.
here.
The Sagrada Familia, which we went to.
Yeah.
So, yeah, because we broke the one that we had in the airport, and we didn't have time to go get another one, did we?
I know, because he said, you want to go back? But anyway, thank you, honey. That's a good Valentine.
Is that the best ever?
This is Starbucks.
Is that the best ever?
Yeah. You know, I almost cry when I drop it, right?
I know.
I was so upset.
I know. Did you almost cry now that you open it up?
Yeah. I knew it. It's a Starbucks. Where did you order it? In eBay?
Mm-hmm.
For sure, it's expensive.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I avoid it, right?
It's cheaper than a plane ticket to go back.
Thank you, and then a nice flower.
Yeah, that was fun.
Thank you so much, babe.
You're welcome.